Alright guys, so I've been working. I went to bed at like 7 o'clock. Alright? Hold on, let me see. Why aren't you working? Come on. It's because I have this USB that's powering all of this stuff, and I need to get a power cord to give it more power so all of it works. Anyway, let's see what we got here. Okay, here's what we need. We recorded new vocals for Shoes in the studio. I need just the vocal mix and brighten pitch corrected if needed. The session was short and sweet. I did take to the low vocals, so we need a vocal producer and a vocal right away. All right, cool, got it. All right, so I'm gonna do some work today. I'm doing this right here. Y'all know what that is? That's a prayer. That's me saying, please, God. Taylor Gang. Y'all don't know who Taylor Gang is? You see what I'm sending out? No. Wiz Khalifa. It's his manager. Yep. Wiz. At Taylor Gang. So watch it all burn down, 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 down. All the fireworks in the air, yeah. Take us to the smoke when I'm loud enough. Take us to the place till it's hot enough. Yeah. All the fireworks in the air, yeah. Take us to the smoke when I'm loud enough. To the place till it's hot enough. Don't wanna let go. You know what I know. That's why you let go. I wish you put the fire out. I'm stuck in this place. Don't have to press break. How much can we take before we watch it all burn down? I'ma watch it all burn down, 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 down. All the flashbacks in the air, yeah. Take us to the smoke when I light it up. We can see the place till it's hot enough. All the flashbacks in the air, yeah. Take us to the smoke when I light it up. We can see the place till it's hot enough. Life has been all the flashbacks in the air, yeah. You can see the smoke when I light it up. We can see the place till it's hot enough. All the flashbacks in the air, yeah. You can see the smoke when I light it up. We can see the place till it's hot. Yo, JT2018JT, I got like thousands of beats in here. This is just my song, Pyro. That's about to drop. So, I'm reaching out to Wiz Khalifa, and I'm going to see if he can hop on Pyro for me. So, I'm in talks right now with his manager. Hope he doesn't get mad that I'm sharing his information, but I really don't care because I love Wiz Khalifa, and I would love to work with him. But to answer your question, need you on some hip-hop style beats, Timberlake style? No, I do Aaron Carter style, baby. That's how we do over here. Like, you know? I got shit just sitting here. That's not say goodbye. Yeah. Is it love? Is it hurtful? Stars are depending on you. I'm dreaming big enough for you. Yeah, I'd rather play. They tell me it is worth it for you. 'Cause life's so good without you. The sky's so good without you. Do you want to feel like this? Looking up in the backseat, baby. Oh, no, no. So you know exactly what I mean. Be the king to match your queen, baby. You're like fire red night. Say your heart is so cold. So cold. You're like fire red night. Your heart is so cold. So cold. I got a lifetime waiting for you, so go ahead and make up your mind, baby. Hey, gang, 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 We've been here before, yeah. It's a new one. We've been here before, it's all on the floor. We're trying to be honest. You playing your role, I'm trying to smoke. Don't know what the time is. I called you over to tell you something I can't remember, yeah. Here's a crazy ass beat I made. This is crazy. don't really do Q&As. Sometimes I answer questions. I'll pick your one if I want to answer. Canada, I'm booking 10 dates right now in Canada. Right now. This morning I did it. I'm right here. I'm right here. We all grew up, but I'm still here. I remember you. Remember me? I'm a little different now, though. I'm a dope-ass producer. I produced the whole last record with Lingering. I wrote it. I put the whole project together myself. And I'm about to do it with Pyro, too. And just some tracks. Remember me? Well, guess what? I ain't going nowhere. And this time I'm coming back with a fucking vengeance. So, trolls, they're gonna look like this. That's how I'm gonna turn them. Like, oh, I love you, Aaron, but I'm still a troll. Why do I ignore real fans, though? Little something 777. I've never seen you because 777 are my lucky numbers. So I don't know what the fuck you talking about. I don't know you. Who are you? I don't think I'm the same Aaron that you remember. That one right there, I'm different now. I need Cap G on this one. This is the original beat name for Pyro. Bad Love. low blows. I skip the high road. Life is a power. I'ma watch it all burn down. I'ma watch it all burn down, 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 down. I'ma find drugs in the air, you know. We can see the smoke when I light it up. We can through the flames till it's hot enough. I need Wiz on this track with me right away. Man, I did it. I emailed him. I'm in contact with his manager. We'll see what happens. Dear God, make something happen with Wiz. I thought you could hope for him, man. You know, you can't force him to do nothing. I sent his manager, like, he sent me, like one email. I sent him, like, 4 emails. I don't give a fuck. That's how you do business, man. Hustle, you grind. I fucking love Wiz Khalifa. He can go back and search interviews where people have asked me, oh, who would you do a feature with? And I always say Wiz Khalifa. So, fucking, there it is. Pray, see what happens. You know what I mean? If not, I'm gonna drop Pyro anyway. It's gonna be a banger. Hey. Hey, gang, that's fun. Why do you guys think I got pianos tattooed? Why do you think I got piano in my house? I'm about to get a baby grand. It's just about to get real. Real. Beautiful. Thank you for loving my voice. I appreciate that. I love the piano. I love you. I love you, and I love the view. I did teach myself the piano. Yes, I did. You're amazing. Thank you very much, Lucy. Play more piano. I'm tired. I got up at 2. I started working. I did all kinds of shit today. And I put the seeds in the ground. Wiz Khalifa, Pyro. Trying to get that because I'm releasing that regardless. But hopefully I can get a feature from him, which will be great. I know he just got off a tour right now and stuff like that. So he's chilling. So I hit up Wiz Khalifa. See how that goes. He knows me. I know him. So of each other, we've never met. But I'm a huge fan. Huge fan. I'm super stoned and lit right now too, by the way. But I'm a huge fan, and yeah, I'm planting the seeds. I need you guys to help plant the seeds, though. Everybody tweet at Wiz and blow him up on your Twitter and say, "Yo, feature with Aaron on Pyro. Feature with Aaron on Pyro. Do it." How many of y'all would want to hear Wiz Khalifa on an Aaron Carter record? No one would ever expect that in a million years. And for him to believe in me like that would be incredible. So I would love that. And I think I've earned it. I think I earned it. I know I earned it. 250 million plus streams on my Love EP. Bro, let's be real. Like 2 years? You guys don't even realize I haven't got my plaques yet. Like, they haven't certified me that, like, I'm one of, like, the top 10 artists, like, top 20 artists in the world right now with my music. I get 1.5 million streams still a month just on one song. No, don't DM him. Publicly tweet at him. Or comment on his page. Like, so he can see. I don't know if he reads the shit. Probably not. Probably. I read my shit. He probably reads his shit. I'm not gonna stop. Whatever amount of money it takes. If I gotta take equity out of my house to pay Wiz Khalifa for a feature, I'll do it. Bam. $50,000 for Wiz Khalifa. $20,000. So give me a good deal at least. Everybody watching, make sure you spread the word wherever you go. Wherever you guys go. Aaron Carter, new album, love. Pyro, new single about to drop. 250 million plus streams. Tell everybody that. They're not gonna believe it. They're not gonna believe it. Right now my hair is like super washed and I hate it. I like it when it's greasy. This is my hair clean, by the way. I guess this is kind of how I used to wear my hair. I can't even see through my eyes. That's literally how I used to wear my hair. It's kind of getting back to normal. I'll just cut that shit right there. I never did before. Just put it to the side. But it was all blonde. No, I had roots like this. My hair's pretty bad right now, I'm not gonna lie. Don't really care about that. I should probably get some sun, to be honest with you. The sun is shining, the weather is sweet. I should just go to sleep on the fucking lawn chair. Call it a day. That's what I should do. What do you agree? God, I'm so happy. We must be heaven. Truly the angels. I can't believe what God has done. I'm gonna go to sleep in the sun and I can't say you a shit. Barely. Fuck it. I'm gaining a little weight. Not as much as I'd like to in the last couple of days, but that's just because I have some stressful shit going on. So I'm out, yo. I'm gonna go to sleep and get a tan. Look at me right now, and you don't ever feel lonely in your home. Invite me over. No, I don't feel lonely in my home at all. I feel safe. I'm protected. I'm good. Good. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go because I gotta go, but I'll see y'all later. Okay.